Are you tired of constantly creating social media content? Don't have the time, budget, or energy to keep posting every single day? I have good news for you. You don't need a social media manager, you don't need expensive AI tools, and you definitely don't need to spend 3 hours a day creating content. I'll show you how to create 30 days of content in just 30 minutes using the free version of ChatGPT. Not generic AI garbage, not copy-paste motivational posts. You'll be able to create content that actually sounds like you, connects with your audience, and gets engagement. And the best part? Once you set this up, you can generate high-performing posts in minutes whenever you want. Let's build your AI-powered content machine. Before we jump into the setup, I spend a lot of time finding these free workarounds, so you don't have to buy expensive apps. If you appreciate that, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI workflows. All right, let's jump into it. I now have ChatGPT open in my browser. This is a free account. I will create a project. This project will be used to create content for my LinkedIn account. ChatGPT projects are a way to organize your work inside ChatGPT. Instead of having random chats, a project lets you group everything related to one goal in a single place. Go to the left side menu and click on the plus icon. Give it a project name, then click on Create Project. Okay, this is our project page. You can also come here by clicking on Projects, then clicking on the project name. If you chat here, all the chats will be organized inside the project. You can also add sources. You can give the project more context about your company, your product, your social media accounts, what you are trying to achieve, etc. Giving ChatGPT context is really important. Many people don't find AI useful because they don't provide AI enough context. I will give you one small example. Imagine you have hired a freelancer. You tell him, "Could you prepare the meeting materials for me?" Just giving this one-sentence instruction won't be enough. The freelancer has no idea who this meeting is with, how long it will last, or whether you are looking for approval or just want to share information. He will have to make an assumption, so the end result won't be to your liking. The same happens with AI. If you just ask it to write you a social media post, it won't have any idea about your company, your product, your brand voice, your target audience, or what kind of posts work well on the platform you will be posting on. So the post it will produce will be mediocre. We need to give the AI this context. We will do that from here. We will provide ChatGPT with 4 context files. This file will contain information about our company, our products, target audience, etc. This file will make sure all ideas fall strictly under the categories we set. This file will set the rules for tone, vocabulary, and personality. Every post ChatGPT writes will sound like us. We will also give ChatGPT a few of our best posts, so it will have ideas about what kind of content works best. Let's create the first file. We will create a file that will contain information about our company, our customers, etc. We will use AI to create this file. We will use Claude for this. You can use ChatGPT, but Claude is better at creating files like this. I have the free version of Claude open here. I will copy this prompt. You can find the link to the prompts in the video description. Then I will paste it here in Claude. What Claude will do is ask us 10 questions one by one. Then it will generate the About Company file. Okay, I am done answering the 10 questions. Claude has generated the file. I will download it. Then I will upload it to ChatGPT. Click Add to Source. Click Upload. Choose your file in the pop-up menu and it will be uploaded. I will now create the next file, which is the pillar content file. I will do the same thing. I will copy the prompt for this file. Then I will paste in Claude. Claude will ask the first question. Okay, I have answered all 10 questions. Claude has generated the file. I will download it. Then I will upload in ChatGPT. The next thing we will have to do is upload a few of our best performing posts. Remember, ChatGPT have no idea what kind of posts are performing well currently. So we will have to teach it. This doesn't have to be your own posts. These can be your competitors' posts. Quick pause. If you're watching this channel, you're clearly someone who wants to actually use AI, not just learn about it. So I put together something that'll save you a lot of time. It's a free pack of more than 150 expert-built prompts and AI skills. It covers strategy, marketing, sales, content, and operations. The link is in the description down below. These aren't generic AI prompts you find on social media. Every single one is built from proven business frameworks and best-selling books. I read through over 60 business books and built these prompts from those ideas. So instead of starting from a blank page, you're essentially starting from decades of business knowledge. If you've ever typed a prompt, got a mediocre answer, and spent an hour fixing it, this is what fixes that problem. It's completely free. Link is in the description down below. Now back to the video. I have a Google Doc file here. I have copied 10 posts here from my competitors that I have seen get tons of engagement. I want posts like these. Create a doc file and paste the post content. I have added a post number, then the post text. Add 15 to 20 posts. You don't need more. I will download the doc file. You can use Markdown. Make sure the file is named Best Post. I will now upload the file to ChatGPT. We have added 3 files. We need to add one more. We will create a brand voice file. It will set the rules for tone, vocabulary, and personality. I will copy this prompt. Then I will paste in Claude. I will also attach the best post file I have created. Hit enter. Claude will analyze the posts and create a brand voice file. I will download this file, then upload. Okay, we have uploaded all 4 files. Now we need to give this project a system instruction. I will copy this prompt. Remember, you can find the prompts in the video description. Then click on this icon, then Project Settings. Paste the prompt here under Instruction. It tells ChatGPT to first consult the 4 files we have uploaded. Then it will analyze what we are asking it to do. If we say Idea Mode and give it a topic, it will search the web for the latest news, trends, studies, and conversations around that topic. It will then present 5 different angles on that topic. Since it is searching the web and finding the latest info, the idea it will present will be fresh. Your post will be about trending topics, not stale topics. Then we have Write Mode. When we say Write Mode or give it a topic idea, it will start writing. It will write using our exact brand voice and follow the best performing posts. I have created this system instruction for LinkedIn. If you are doing it for another platform, you need to make some changes. Change the mention of LinkedIn with that social media platform. Now I will save. Our project is ready. We can now use it to create posts for social media. Let's generate some ideas. First, enable web search. I will say, Idea Mode, AEO. I am using a broad topic as an example. The more niche topic you use, the better. It will search the web. It has now generated some ideas about answer engine optimization. If you don't like them, you can say something like, give me 5 more angles, all different from the last ones. But I will choose this idea. I will select it and ask, Write Mode, write a post about this idea. ChatGPT will write the post. It has followed all our instructions and examples and has written this post. If you want more choice, you can say something like, give me 2 different versions of this post. If you don't like the hook, you can say, the hook is weak. Give me 5 alternative opening lines. If you don't like the CTA, you can say, the ending is flat. Give me 3 alternative closing lines. You also don't have to first ask for an idea. If you already have an idea, you can just ask ChatGPT, Write Mode, write a post about this idea or angle. You will get a post. And just like that, you've built your very own personalized content engine. Instead of staring at a blank screen every morning, you can now generate an entire month's worth of high-quality, highly engaging posts in just a few minutes. Remember, the secret sauce here is the context. Spend 20 to 30 minutes to set up your 4 files. It will make all the difference between robotic AI text and content that genuinely connects with your audience. As I mentioned earlier, all the prompts I used today are linked down in the description. Go grab them, set up your project, and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.